This is the same price action technique that I used to pass all my PropFirms account. You guys can see this is a consummate account, live consummate account. So I've just passed the first phase. So for those who are still having problems like passing their consummate account or any PropFirm challenge, just click the first link and join the Telegram group. I've just passed the first phase and we are now going to the next phase. I have passed an account with Funding Plus and also on Consummate Traders. I just wanted to do this video to help you guys so that those who are still struggling to make money online can also join the team right now. This is a Consummate live account. I've just passed. As a funded account, you need to make 15%. You need to make 8% on the first verification and 6% or 5% on the second phase. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to pass it. You guys have already seen in the intro, I showed you the number of accounts that I've passed. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's just a numbers game. So for example, let's just use this one for example. They are saying if you have a $5,000 account, you need to make 8% on the first phase, then 5% on the second phase. So just do the math on Google Store. So 8% is $400. So you just need to make $400 to pass this challenge. But here is the case. If we are going to trade, we will risk 2%. So we risk 2% of this account. So we risk $100 to make 6%. So $100 to make 6%. That's about 6% is $300. So if we risk $100, we are going to make $300 back. We need about 4 websites. So the first website is, you can either use Consummate Traders or you can use Funding Trading Plus. Then the most important website is TradingView, investing.com, and Forex, cashbackforex.com. This website, we are going to use it to calculate lot size. That's the position size. It's very, very important. Before you enter a trade, you need to already calculate your risk to reward, how much you are risking on the trade and how much you are going to make if it goes in your favor. It's very, very important. Then investing.com, we use it for fundamental analysis. It's left with 4 minutes until the New York's exchange open. So basically what we want to do is we go to economic calendar on investing.com. We are going to check for today whether we have news today. So if we click today news, today is Tuesday. So if we click today, we can see we don't have news. So today is a good day to trade. There is no news today, so we can trade. The next thing is for us to select a perfect pair. We can either select NASDAQ, US30, we can select gold, GBP USD or Euro USDT. Select the popular coins that people are trading, forex pairs that people are trading. So we'll go to super chart here. Okay, we just click on product, go to super chart. It's very important. Even on Funding Plus, their account sizes, you make 10% in the first phase and make 5% in the second phase. So that means that if you have a $15,000 account, the first phase you just need to make about $1,000, we make about $800, and the second phase we make about $400. So let's say we are going to trade US30. Right now US30 is in an uptrend. So this trade that we took is 1:3 risk reward ratio. So let me redo it for you guys to see. Okay, so it's 1:3 risk reward ratio. What we want to do is we want to know the direction of the market so that we can follow the trend. So when we go for the 1-day time frame, this is a daily time frame of US30. We can see it's now in an uptrend. US30 is now in an uptrend. This is the current market price, $33,731. So for us to enter this market, we go into the 4-hour time frame to check to make sure that the trade or the pair is really going upward. Okay, so we can see it's still in an uptrend, so we can enter a long position and target the next resistance. If you have not watched the last video that I uploaded, I showed you guys how to read price action. We wait for the price to pull back here, then we enter a long position if we are in an uptrend. If we are in a downtrend, we wait for the price to move down, pull back, then we sell. The strategy only works in trending market. So we already know that we are going to buy US30 right now. What we want to do is we want to calculate our lot size, our position size. But before we do it, we'll just click on long position here. Then we'll come and bring it to the entry around here. So this is our entry. Then our stop loss will be something like, let's say we get a points of 175 points, which is okay. This is our stop loss. Then our take profit will be around 1:3 ratio around the upside. Okay, so we almost got 1:3 to the next resistance zone. So when you do this, now you double click. So when you double click, you enter your account balance. So let's say you have $5,000, right? You have $5,000 and you are going to risk 2% of your account. So you just type in 2%. We know our take profit to be around this thing, 34,278. That's our take profit. Our stop loss will be $33,548. Now we click on OK. So when we click on OK, we are going to go to Cashback Forex to calculate our lot size. So remember, we'll click on lot size calculator at the left hand side. The website is called cashbackforex.com. So when you do that, now you are going to enter the opening price. You are selecting US30. Remember, we are selecting US30. That's the pair we are trading. Your base currency is dollars. If you are using consumer traders, we use dollars. If you're also using funding traded class, we use dollars. So now that we know, we are going, this is our entry. So let's go to trading view. Then we'll double click again. So our entry is $33,732. So we go. Please, if you don't understand this video, rewatch it again. It's very important. Even if you don't understand something, but the position sizing is very important, you understand. So what we need to do next is our stop loss. So our stop loss is $33,547. So you have 33,000. So our stop loss is 33,400 what? Let's see, $547. So it's $547. $47. So it's very important you input. Remember, we are risking 2% of the $5,000. We are risking 2%. So contract size, leave it at 1. Then you click on confirm. So this is the cost we are supposed to enter. This is our position size. So if we go to MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, we are supposed to enter 0.538. If this trade doesn't go well, we are going to lose $100. $100 is 2% of the $5,000. But if the trade goes well, so let's enter our, let's go for profit calculation. We now know our lot size to be what? 0.538. So our profit calculator here. So now we are buying. So we are buying. Let's enter our stop loss. Our lot size 0.53 something here. Then this is our opening price. So our opening price was 33,724. Then our closing price where we want to exit the market. So remember, our take profit is around 34,278. So we have 34,278. Then we click on OK. So you can see we are going to make almost $300. We are risking $100 to make $300. So we just 3 trades, you pass the challenge. Even if one trade doesn't go well, still you pass the challenge. This is how I've been able to pass the challenge. make sure you watch the last video that I've just uploaded, because in that video I showed you how to read price action, how to enter your trades with my simple price action strategy. So this is how you pass any challenge. All you need to do is just go to Google, enter your account size. So if you are having an account of $10,000, you are going to risk, so if you have $10,000, right, you are going to risk 2% per trade. So when you risk 2% per trade here, so let's risk 2%. That means you are risking $200. So each trade you are willing to lose $200. Now with the $200, and we are using a strategy of 1:3 risk reward ratio, you have a potential of making 6%. Okay, but so 6% of that's $600. So if a trade goes well, we are going to make $600. But if the trade doesn't go well, we are going to lose $200. That's the meaning of risking 1:3 risk reward ratio. So even if you take 10 trades, you still pass the challenge. If you take 4 trades, you still pass the challenge, as long as you use the strategy that I share for you. So you can either go for the funded account with funded trader plus, or you can use consummate traders or the funded trader, any pro firm that you use. But just make sure that you use this calculation. If you are able to just win 2 trades or 4 trades, you are going to pass the challenge. This is how I've been doing to pass my trades. I just raise 1% or 2% to make 3% back or 6% back. So if you have any questions, you can comment down below. Make sure to click the first link and join the Telegram group. Every day I share my trades, whether the funded trading or crypto on Binance Futures or Bybit, for my students, so that you can also participate.